When you see a problem, you can avoid it. Somebody else probably looked at the building and said, I'm not gonna get into this. Or you can see a problem, you can solve it. Right? You need to know. You need to have knowledge. You need to be creative. You need to know how to communicate. So you can avoid it, you can solve it, or you can learn what I learned and made me a ton of money, which is how to transform it into an opportunity. I mean, you see these people, they get accused of something very bad, okay? And what do? They write a book, and they get an advance $5 million for writing the book. Are you with me on this? Yes. So they transform the problem into an opportunity because they couldn't defend themselves or whatever. Like, what's her name? Amarosa. Amarosa, you know that lady Amarosa that fought with, she is a pest, but she got a book deal. Started talking bad about Trump. Trump put her on the map, then started talking bad about him, and I don't know the story, I don't follow that crap, right? Excuse my language. But the idea is to learn how to transform a problem into an opportunity.